Hi, welcome to ProgrammingKT. I am explaining about the problem is moving all zeros to end of the array. So if the input array is like this, contains any zero elements, I need to move all zeros to end of the array like this. So let me write logic for that problem. Then I will explain how exactly internally it is working. So before that I need to declare integer array. So I am taking integer array. Variable name is array I am taking, and I am taking elements from input source. Now array is okay. So I am iterating array from beginning to end of the array. So I am writing swapping logic to move all zeros to end. So the logic will be, if any non-zero element, any number that is not equal to 0, I am moving backward. So all zeros I am moving forward. Then automatically our target will be reached. So for that I need to declare one more variable to keep all track about zeroth index element. So now array of ith index, that element is not equal to 0. I am trying to implement swapping logic, like I am trying to store in a temporary variable of ith index element, and I am assigning ith index element to zero element index, that is array of z. Now I am incrementing that z index, and moreover that I need to assign previously stored temporary variable. Now our logic is looking good. Now try to print that array. I am taking arrays utility class, otherwise we will get hexadecimal hash code when we are trying to print array. Now let me run it. So we got it right, all zeros move to end. So let me write one sysouts inside if block, then we will understand how exactly it is working, swapping is working. So let me copy it and paste it, and moreover that I need to one more sysout at the time of starting, at the time of before move all zeros to end, after move all zeros to end. So now let me try to run. So first one will be the input and last one will be the output. So at the time of first iteration, so if block will be won't executed. Why? Because array zeroth element is 0. So 0 not equal to 0, condition is false. So now z have still 0 and I is incrementing by 1. So at the time of second iteration, now ith element is not 0 inside that array. Now I am implementing swapping logic, like all non-zero element move to backward and zero element will move to forward. So like this same process until unless length of the end of that array. So finally we will get the output, like all zeros will move to end. So if you found the content is valuable, like my video, and moreover that if you found any better solution comparing with this, make a comment in comment section. Thank you.